All right, today I'm touring a brand new townhouse model that is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath in Playa del Carmen in a great location with all your amenities very close by. If you're looking to rent long-term or short-term, this could be the right unit for you. So let's take a walk through and check this out. This is a brand new townhouse. Like I said, it was professionally designed and furnished, and it obviously shows. This place is impeccable and it's really, really nice. So upon entering the front door here, you get your powder room, which is right off here. It is kind of cool because it's sunken in. That's something I've never really seen here yet, but it's cool and it's a nice tucked away location. You have pantry storage there. So what's really good is you actually have in-suite laundry. You have a washer and a dryer, and obviously you have hot water. The kitchen itself is very spacious, has lots of counter space to do your prep work. It has a vent hood. It is electric. You have a sink. You have your oven. When I say it's brand new, it's never been used. You have your microwave and a good sized fridge here. You have lots of storage, and this place comes fully turnkey furnished. It has all the pots, pans, dishes, cutlery, everything you need to make the stay as comfortable as possible. Like I said, the owner is from the US. The owner had in mind to rent this place off Airbnb or the other major listing sites, and she wanted it to be for short-term and long-term tenants and to make sure it's as easy as possible and you don't need to bring anything with you. They have a small backyard. It's got some turf here. It's not real, it's synthetic turf, so it's actually pretty nice. You have this wonderful couch here that is actually a pull-out, so you can actually sleep probably 2 more people here if you wanted to. The space is quite spacious. It's compact, but it is very spacious. It's very nice. And there are some really amazing amenities here. This is a gated community, so there is 24/7 security. You need a QR code to gain access to the community. And there are some really great amenities, which we'll go check out after. There's the pool, grill area. There's a party room that you can rent. There's a gym and so on. So they're actually quite nice, but let's finish the tour here on the house. So it is a 2-level townhouse. Going up the stairs here, you have these nice lights to assist when it gets dark at night. What I like too is you have this skylight, so it gives you a lot of natural light in here. They have this sign here that means a lot to them. It's from their wedding, means I love you essentially. So right off the stairs to the left, you have the primary bedroom. It is very well decorated. It has a king size bed. You have a TV, you have a couch, you have a nice view, and you have your walk-in closet here. So you have his and her side, a large window for some natural light. And then you have the ensuite. You have 1 sink, a huge walk-in tiled shower with one of the biggest rain head shower heads I've seen in a long time. And there's also a handheld shower unit, which is great. It's very convenient. Now moving on to the second bedroom. Let's go on down the hallway here. You have this bedroom, which is my favorite. You have a built-in bunk bed system, so you can technically sleep 3 more people, maybe 2 people up top there because that is like a double, or it looks like almost a queen size. So you can probably fit 2 people up there or 2 small children. You have a large window back there for some light. There is a desk here. Obviously the place has air conditioning in every room. There's a large closet organizer, plenty of space up there. There's drawers and places to hang your clothes. So you have a double rack. And you also have some shelves with a couple drawers, and you have an ensuite. So again, really nice ensuite with some storage underneath. You have a large walk-in shower and everything you need in here. Now let's move on to the third bedroom. This one again is a queen size bed. You have a TV in this one with a nice little TV hutch. You have the 2 nightstands. You have plenty of storage space for all of your closet stuff. So you have drawers here, you have more storage there, and then you have your racks for all of your longer jackets or dresses and whatnot. This house itself, it's not huge, but it is very cozy, it's very functional. The design is actually really, really nice. Everything is well decorated. It comes with everything. Let's go check out the amenities. Interested in knowing what the Pravada looks like. It's like this. There are actually several Pravadas. They're all the same, but each Pravada has only a handful of units. This is on the way to the common areas or the amenities. It's a nice quiet path. Alright, and we're going to head over to the main pool, which is absolutely stunning. Interested in renting this place, I will leave the link in the description below. They are looking to rent this short-term or long-term. So if you want more info, just comment below and I'll connect you with them, or you can just click on the link directly. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that one. So if you're looking for Playa del Carmen content, or you want to come and rent this place, just hit that link below. Don't forget to like this video. If you are looking to move here, relocate, retire, invest in the Riviera Maya, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys on the next one.